Hey Tingers, my name is Natalia and today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing hide and seek card. As you can see, there's a hidden message inside the card and you have to use a flashlight to find it. And it's actually inspired by this kind of kid activity or toy that I saw on Pinterest and I just wanted to make a card out of it. So here's what you need to create this card. Now take your regular piece of paper and make a rectangle with the measurements on the screen. Then find the middle on the shorter side and make a mark. Then make lines from the two corners down to this marking. If you want, you can choose to make your triangle wider or smaller. That's totally up to you. But I'm still gonna use the one I just created. Now cut it out and then place it on top of some construction paper and sketch around it. Then cut it out. Now you also need a flashlight for this triangular light, so make a rectangle with the measurements on the screen. Then measure 2 centimeters downwards on each side and make a mark. And from these markings, make a line that's 1 centimeter. Then make a line upwards and complete the head of the flashlight. The final thing to add are small lines underneath the head, here and here. Then cut it out. Now we need to attach the flashlight and the triangular light together. So place the bottom of the triangle 4 centimeters into the flashlight and then make a line. Put some glue underneath this line and attach the flashlight. And press down firmly to make it stick. Now moving on to the fun part, which is to draw on the plastic pocket. But first, we need to make an outline of how big our card is on the plastic pocket. Then place your flashlight onto the card so only 2 centimeters of it is poking out. Then try to gently sketch an arch from where the light will be. Then write or draw the image you want on the plastic pocket. And cut it out. Now we need to secure the flashlight so it doesn't move around too much on the card. So find the middle on the card and then make a mark. From this marking, measure upwards 3 centimeters and then make another mark. Then use something sharp like a scissor to poke a hole through the marking. And I forgot to mention that you could also decorate the flashlight if you want. Then place your flashlight right onto the middle of the card. Make sure that 2 centimeters of it is poking out. Then make a marking at 2 centimeters and make a line across. Keep your flashlight in this position and then turn your card around and make a marking inside the hole you made earlier. And again, use your scissor to make a hole through this marking. Put this paper binder into this hole and also into the hole of your card. Close the legs of the paper binder on the back of the card and test your flashlight. Now we need to attach the front piece with a Minecraft creeper on top of the card. So put some glue right here at the top and place the front piece right on top. And press down firmly to make it stick. You also need to add some small droplets of glue in the corners of the card. This is to prevent the front piece from just ripping off. And don't forget to press down firmly to make it stick. As you can see, there are many ways of creating this card, so just let your imagination loose and get creative. Now for the random question of the day. If you could create a holiday, what would you call it and how would you celebrate it? I think I would call my holiday Pet a Pet. I feel like this world needs more love. If we could give love to the animals and help them find a new home or help them eat or pet them, just be kind to animals because I've seen a lot of horrible stories about pets being abandoned in various places. So just having this one day or a month even, being kind to animals and petting them would be amazing. Then I could just go around and pet all of the cats that I wanted without it being too weird. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And if you want to support my channel, go to my Patreon page. I have a bunch of stencils just ready for you to use and to make these awesome cards. And if you're looking for more unique cards, check out these videos here and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!